Off to Sierra Leone to see my great-grandparents.
I'm very sorry, sir, but the flight to Sierra Leone today has been canceled due to the Ebola outbreak. As you may have heard, over 11,000 deaths in West Africa so far, and 10,000 of those come from 3 countries, including Sierra Leone. Here's an instructional video you can watch to learn more.
1976, Sudan, first outbreak. 2014, the worst outbreak recorded in history, 11,000 deaths in total, the Ebola virus. Ebola primarily affects the West African countries of Guinea, Sierra Leone, and Liberia. The people at risk of this virus are people who care for Ebola patients and people who travel to West Africa. Ebola targets dendritic cells, one of the first lines of defense for the immune system, causing signals to signal the disease to be dismantled. The virus then effectively replicates vastly and quickly. Symptoms include fever, severe headache, muscle pain, weakness, fatigue, diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and unexplained hemorrhage. The first patient is thought to have contracted it from fruit bats or primates, and after the first contraction, Ebola can only be passed through blood or body fluids, fruit bats or primates, or the semen of a man who survived Ebola. People who bury dead Ebola patients. The only way to treat this virus is through monitoring health for 21 days and for getting IVs and monitoring oxygen status. If any risks, call this number or visit cdc.gov.